So here is Prank Air Horn Clipper app. It's quite fun app, and it's a bit it's growing in charts, and because it went viral on TikTok, I think. So you can turn your phone into a funny prank sounds tool. This app gives you different prank sound categories: air horn, hair clipper, fart sounds, scary sounds, laughing, clapping. So this is like the perfect app if you want to prank someone, and it's like very easy to use. So you can just tap and hold, and then you have air horn, and then there are ads. So here you can see ads available. Then you can see doorbell, car, braking. So you can increase sound. So this is how it looks like. And then you can just favorite your top sounds, and then you can see favorite sounds here in the top right. So that's the idea. Then you can see all these like funny prank sounds, and then you can just have fun. So that's the app. It's available on iPhone, on iOS, and yeah, that's basically how it works. So that's the idea. Yep. Hope this is helpful, and thank you for watching.